I would like to share recent experience मेरे साथ जो हो रहा है, और I think ये जो fake buyer और scammers, I think many other agents, especially women agents, are facing of late. And I've got a lead couple of months, I think couple of weeks back, on Instagram and then on my other social also, where the buyer, he actually pretending to be a diamond merchant, and obviously buyer India से contact कर रहे थे. And then when he was talking big numbers that he wants to invest at about 60-70 million, so at first obviously I wouldn't ignore any lead I get. So मैंने पहले उनको पूरा अटेंड किया, and then I thought okay, let me speak to him, let me connect. बात करके उनसे I realized कि उनको so twice or thrice when I spoke to him, मुझे actually पता नहीं चल पाया. Still I was confused because he knew everything. He was aware about all the developers. So then I realized कि उसने पिछले बहुत टाइम से बहुत women brokers को फ़ोन करके परेशान किया है, और काफ़ी उसको नॉलेज है ही सबका, शोभा का एंड डेन्यूब का. एंड देन ही वॉज लाइक मेरे को पाम में 60 मिलियन का विला लेना है एंड मैं आऊँगा भी नहीं देखने के लिए. एंड दिस इज़ व्हेन आई स्ट्राइक दैट why anybody would do that. And he was like मेरे को सिर्फ आपसे ही डील करनी है. And then again I thought why he would say that कि आपसे ही डील करनी है, because we just met, we just connected. So I thought I would share this information as a well-wisher, because any of you, if you're getting such leads, I think the guy's name was Bittu Singh or something. I think it was every time maybe he would change. And अगर आपको ऐसी कुछ भी लीड्स आ रही है, and he would call you at nights, midnight. So he started calling me, and then I ignored his call and then calls, and then next day he was like, आप मेरा फ़ोन नहीं उठा रहे हो तो हम कैसे डील करेंगे, मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता है, मेरे को चाहिए आप पूरा पोर्टफोलियो, सारा प्रॉपर्टीज़ आप खरीदो हमारा, ये वो. So I think it took a lot of energy, a lot of time of mine, and end of the day I realized that it was a big scam, and he's just a lonely guy who is doing time pass, talking to other women and other girls. And उसको सारे big real estate influencers के भी नाम पता थे, and he was talking shit about them, like he was really talking very bad about them. So I realized that this is something wrong. So please be aware. It's just information I wanted to share. Be aware of such scammers. एक बार बात करके you should understand, get the details of their IDs and banks and everything, so you would know that if they are real or they are fake.